Let's create a motion tween in Adobe Animate. Remember that motion tweens and classic tweens work with symbols. Shape tweens work with vector images. So classic tweens and motion tweens are very similar, both with symbols. So the first thing I have to do is create my object. I'll draw a ball here. And then I have to convert it to symbol, so I could do that first. I could just right click on it and convert it to symbol. But the program does it on its own if I create a motion tween, as it says that the item cannot be tweened and I must convert it into symbol. Do I want to do that? And I can say yes. As soon as I create the motion tween, it creates all the frames in between, and I just have to move my object to where I want it. That will create the path. If you hover over the path, you can change it lightly and give it all the curve that you want. And once it has a curve, if you click with the sub-selection tool on the end of the path, you have two more arrows, more lines, sorry. I'll undo that just a second. Okay, so I move my path. I create the slope, and then I can use a sub-selection tool, and those lines over there can make the path as complicated as we want. You can just then test it and see that it goes all over the path that we've created. And if we want that longer, we can just use the selection tool, go to your last frame and extend it as much as you can. That will make the motion tween go last longer and go slower. Okay. Remember that you can go anywhere you want in your path, and you can change where the object is in each frame, and this will complicate the path even more. And you can see I can make a sort of a roller coaster there, and that will make it go up and down. Okay. You can create the motion tweens with the right click and create motion tween, or insert and create the motion tween, and again it will ask for to be converted into a symbol. I can say yes, and then I have the same thing again. So that is basically how to use motion tweens. It's, as you see, it's very easy. You just have to remember how to work with the path and how to extend the frames, and that you have to that motion tweens need to be done on symbol, so you have to first convert it into symbol. Hope the video is useful for you guys, and see you on the next video.